All right, so welcome to campaign information. So this category is going to contain a lot of details about how to run successful campaigns. So first, we're going to have to go over your campaign guidelines, which is going to be broken down into your push ad campaign guidelines, and then also your pop ad and domain ad campaign guidelines as well. And then next, we're going to go down the list of campaign statuses so that it can help you identify the state of your campaign. And then lastly, we need to go over the campaign approval process and fill you in on how Zeropark compliance team will handle your traffic and your campaigns. So let's go ahead and get started.